let's have a close-up look at our energy harvesting reference design. Here we've got the main harvesting engine of the system. This is a Nexperia PMIC, or power management IC, that's converting light from the Panasonic solar cell into electrons that are used to charge up our hybrid supercap from Eaton. That's 120 farad capacitor from Eaton. And this is all providing power to the Apollo 3 Blue SoC. The final version of this board will have the new QFN package on Apollo 3. And then the workload that's provided is thanks to our partners TDK. This is the lowest power IMU in the market. It's the 45605 IMU that they'll be released into market in the next couple of months. So we're taking their 3-axis accelerometer, 3-axis gyroscope data, and sending them out to Apollo, where the raw data is sent out to the cloud over a BLE radio that's integrated. This next microbus click module is from Bosch. This is their BME 688 environmental sensor, where we're able to send pressure, temperature, and gas data out to the cloud through our Apollo 3 processor.